Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to post a status on Mastodon. So let's get started. First, we're gonna click on the third icon in our bottom line. So that's this one, we're gonna tap on that. Now we can say something like, hello guys, how was your day? Question mark, and then we're gonna click on publish when we're done. And now our post has been published, our status. We can check that by going to the icon in our bottom right corner. As you can see, first we're gonna reload, and now, hello guys, how was your day? It has been posted. That's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!